Guess what? We are back and gonna get the damn fuel system put in place. So, with that said, first process is I put a bunch of rubber coating on the fuel tank. After I did the evaporust, rinse with water, rinse with gas, that is ready to go. Before I install it though, I'm going to install that and hope that it will be usable because I've never used it, so whatever. That will be installed, appears to line up, and yeah, we're going to put it in the car. You know, notice the lovely quick jacks, should make this an easier task. With that said, let's give a nice little point of reference to show that task is done when it is done. Look, nothing there. And boom, we're back. Fuel line, no, the words. Fuel filler hose is there. I finally also removed this plate. Great. These things, which I'm guessing is pretty common, were rusted and pretty much useless, so I had to take the hammer screwdriver, got them out. The reason why I really needed to was on my old fuel level sender, I got an Autometer one, and I ended up cutting slits where the holes were so they could be tightened down with these, because these are not a standard size for what the market appears to be. Anyway, so I ordered an OEM one, or OEM style, and I will use that. I will try and get its resistances, ohms, whatever, before installing if I can't find them online. Put it in. That should work for the standalone. If it doesn't, well, I can remove the old shit, cut it flat, and make it an adapter plate. So that works. So yeah, as I said, fuel tank is now in. Let's see if you can kind of see. Well, you get the gist. It is in. So I think my next course of action is to do something productive. What that is in this pile of greatness. What I think I'm going to do probably is fuel pressure regulator somewhere up there, get a fuel line running to it, and that will probably be, well, that, and I don't know, I'm just kind of talking out loud, so hear me out. I'll probably put the barbed or whatever fitting for this that the soft line will be able to get to, and yeah, get that line going to fuel pressure regulator somewhere in there. Anyway, enough rambling. We will be back when that is in place. So let's do a quick little, here's where I'm at. Haven't done much, but I had to wait for parts. So, fuel pressure regulator, loosely installed, and I mean loose. But I did put a couple spot welds there, made a nice little bracket. The nuts on the back are welded, so I can just undo the small little Allen key bolts and remove it. Got that fuel line on. Next, I need to run the metal lines up into here so I can then, actually run the rubber lines there. But some of the other stuff that I got, don't need that. We got some things to hold the fuel line in place, the metal. We got a nice little fuel filter. It'll go between the fuel pump and the gas tank. I believe this is a catch can, or overflow tank. And some clamps. Anyway, and on a side note, not related to the fuel system, I got this put back in because I need to figure out a radiator. Anyway, we will be back with something. Most definitely something. Probably fuel related too. Be right back. Small little update. We have about 76-inch fuel lines cut. Very bendable. Maybe not as much as rubber, but very easy to manage. I had bought 25 feet, and I've used a bit of it, so not too bad. If any of you ever saw my video of cutting strut tubes, this thing came in handy because it made really light work of that tube. So hooray! The plan is run both of these. The hard lines will stop at the same point right before the rear axle. I will run them up and have them come up right around here, because then one line goes to the feed, return line goes to it. That's what I'm hoping for. We'll be back with some actual progress on that front. And here we are. Completed. Well, okay. Phase 1 completed. We've got fuel pump mounted there. We've got the lovely, let's get some light on it, fuel filter. So tank, fuel filter, fuel pump, soft wired or soft lined to there, goes all the way down there, then comes all the way back. You see that line there running up and poof into the kind of sort of sump thingy. I know it's not the best, but it's better than nothing. So, hey look, transmission, ow, transmission, knee run into stuff, yada yada. But yeah, everything's kind of here, and then I run into more stuff. I don't know what that was. But with that said, we're going to wrap up this video. Fuel system is complete. Don't mind the light. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.